A couple of years ago, we went to Disney World and found myself with my grandson and son-in-law having to almost speed walk from one location to another. And to my pleasant surprise, I was able to do it. I have few complaints, hardly any. My name is Jesse Hernandez. I'm from the Birmingham area, which is of course in Alabama. I originally came to Progressive 15 years ago. I was actively playing tennis 2 to 3 times a week. I played on hard court, which of course leads to injuries. And unfortunately for me, I tore my meniscus. Went to a local orthopedic surgeon in Birmingham, which the Birmingham area is known to have very good specialists, and got the meniscus repaired. But then I was facing the long-term prognosis. I went to several orthopedic surgeons in the Birmingham area who both told me that I needed a total knee replacement. A knee replacement at that point in time would last for about 10 or 15 years. And I said, oh, what am I going to do 15 years from now? I decided that I did not want to have my total knee replacement. Somehow, and I can't remember it being 15 years ago, I can't remember how I came across Progressive, but I ended up here and I ended up getting the Prolozone injections, which of course is the ozone and with the vitamins and the minerals. I think I came here 3 to 4 times over maybe a 2 to 3 month period. I can do everything I need to do with my knee except for run around like a fool on a tennis court. Progressive is a unique health experience in that you will find that their approach is different than conventional Western medicine, where they use methodologies that incorporate more of a holistic and natural healing process, which of course means less invasive and give you and your body the things that your body needs for it to heal itself. To me, that was a good thing.